Are you a woman looking to kickstart your weight loss journey with a simple and effective diet plan? You're in the right place. Embarking on a new dietary regimen can be overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can achieve your goals and improve your overall health. Here's a beginner's guide to help you get started on the path to success. Set realistic goals. Before diving into any diet plan, it's essential to set realistic and achievable goals. Rather than focusing solely on a number on the scale, consider setting goals related to improved energy levels, better mood, or increased strength and endurance. This broader perspective can help you stay motivated and focused on your overall well-being. Understand portion control. Portion control is key to successful weight loss. It's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Learning to control portion sizes can help you manage your calorie intake without feeling deprived. Start by using measuring cups and food scales to become more aware of appropriate portion sizes for different food groups. Emphasize whole foods. Base your diet around whole, nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are not only more satisfying, but also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal. Meal preparation is key. Planning and preparing your meals ahead of time can set you up for success. Spend some time each week prepping ingredients and cooking meals that align with your dietary goals. Having healthy options readily available can help you avoid the temptation of reaching for unhealthy snacks or fast food when hunger strikes. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is crucial for overall health and can support weight loss efforts. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider swapping sugary beverages for water or herbal tea. Staying hydrated can help curb cravings, boost metabolism, and improve digestion. Incorporate physical activity. While diet plays a significant role in weight loss, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is equally important. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, yoga, or dancing, and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Not only will exercise help you burn calories, but it will also improve your mood and overall well-being. Practice mindful eating. Paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues can help prevent overeating and promote healthier eating habits. Practice mindful eating by slowing down during meals, chewing your food thoroughly, and savoring each bite. Avoid distractions such as television or smartphones while eating to fully enjoy your meals, and avoid mindless snacking.